guys, so I think my Bantu knots are dry now. I have no idea, but I'm tired of sitting underneath the dryer. I don't know how this is gonna come out, so no matter what the results are, we're gonna make this work. As you can see, this one back here is already like cutting up. I can already tell that they're not as hard as I would have liked, so I probably didn't add enough gel to them. So if you guys have any recommendations of what you guys would like to see from me, please let me know. Hello to all my new subscribers. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all yet. Maybe the issue is I added too much product, but I have somewhere to go, so this is gonna have to work. I'm gonna split this one in two and then put them back in, I guess, and try this again, but hopefully because it's smaller it'll do better. Alright you guys, so this is the results of my Bantu knot out. It was definitely an experience. I stayed underneath the dryer for at least 2 to 3 hours. I really do love how the curls, see like this back here didn't curl, but we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to tuck that in. I do love how the curls turned out. I think it is super cute. My hair is actually still damp, but I think the results came out very nicely. These curls don't really look like Bantu knot curls, I guess. They just look like regular curls, which is a plus. I love how you can see the shape of my style and the color is popping, and I just love it. Whatever you guys want me to try next, leave it down below. I'm thinking of braid out. I want to see how it's going to look second day, so that's going to be the real test. It is getting colder where I live, so I don't really have to worry about humidity as far as I know, so hopefully my hair doesn't like puff out. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like and share this with someone you know. I'm gonna holla at you in my next Monday video.